Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken D cache, starting with its fundamental purpose. Kraken D's caching stores backend responses in memory, significantly reducing network traffic and easing the load on your services. It focuses on caching individual backend responses, not the final aggregated content delivered to end users. This approach aligns with standard HTTP 1.1 caching rules, ensuring reliable and efficient performance. Understanding these basics is key to leveraging Kraken D effectively for improved API gateway performance. To enable caching, simply add the cost/HTTP cache element within your backend configuration. The duration for which content is stored is primarily controlled by the cache control headers sent from your backend services. If you need to adjust or override these expiration times, Kraken D's Martian module allows you to transform headers before caching occurs. You can also set a global default cache control header, for example, public max age equals 60 seconds, which applies to all endpoints. It's important to understand that Kraken D only caches responses from GET and HEAD HTTP methods. Any other methods, like POST or DELETE, will bypass the cache entirely. The cache key, which identifies stored content, is generated from the backend URL, the HTTP method, and any vary headers present. Be aware that caching significantly increases memory consumption, as data is stored in RAM until expiration. Therefore, it is crucial to dimension your Kraken D instance appropriately and continuously monitor its memory usage. For optimal performance, consider using shared cache buckets if multiple endpoints frequently request the same content. This can further reduce backend load. Always monitor your response sizes and caching times to ensure efficient memory management and prevent potential resource issues. Keep in mind that Kraken D does not offer a direct way to purge the cache. A service restart is required to clear all stored entries. However, stale content is automatically replaced with fresh data once its defined expiration period ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.